I'm mostly dressed, so I can now start. I think I'm gonna be trying to video blog, so I've got to start somewhere. What else do we need for this adventure? We need some glasses. Let's have some glasses. We need a couple of stands. I'm gonna try and get some shots. Thanks, man. Let's go! That's some awesome air, man! Here we are, Milford Point, the Audubon Society. I'm working on starting a video blog because most of the things that I filmed for the last year, starting last year with Ragbri, I lose the footage. It's my first video blog. I'm just gonna try and edit it ASAP, learn how to edit. It's just a skill I'm gonna have to pick up, tell a story. Probably not tell a story. It's gonna be wild. I hitchhiked from here in Connecticut to Iowa, bought a bike. My phone said I had 5% battery left, so I'm just gonna talk it to death.